Hi, my name's Alex. I'm one of the product training managers for Sony Ericsson, and today I'm going to show you how to view and edit web albums on the Sony Ericsson Satio handset. To start off with, you have to go into the media bar, and inside there, when you click on photographs, at the bottom you'll also see an icon for web albums. When you tab on that, it'll then ask if you can access online. Click yes, and then it'll list all of the web albums that you have set up. Now, whether that's Picasa, Flickr, Blogger, YouTube or Facebook, they'll all be listed on here. In this case, I have a Picasa account, so I click on that one, and then what it'll do is it'll then load up any photographs that I've previously taken on any handset and loaded onto this album. From here, you can then click on the folder, and then it'll then list any photographs taken. When you click on the image, it'll load up the image in a larger size, and what you can also do across the bottom here is look at any comments that have been made. So once you've uploaded this picture onto Flickr or Picasa, anyone can comment on the photograph. Now, whether that's a case of comment on the photograph or even asking you a question about it, it can then be displayed on the handset. You can then hit the edit key and add a comment yourself. So you can then reply to that comment. In this case, just a simple hello, and then you hit send. And what that'll then do is update and upload onto that photograph and overlay the photograph so you can then have a conversation. So there you go, you can see my comment at the bottom corner there. When you're finished with that, you can then hit the return tab. It'll then take all the text away and let you view the photograph again. From that, you can then press message and send it via picture message, or again in an email, for example, or delete the image from the album or come straight back out again. So that lists all the photographs that you've previously taken. To actually take one and then put it online, all you have to do, if I come back out completely and onto the main list of photographs or the folders that they're in, say I've taken a photograph already, it'll be in my latest photograph folder, and inside there's a photograph I've literally taken a couple of minutes ago, and all you have to do is press the message key. This will load up a few options, but the one at the bottom is to web, and when you press on that, it'll then ask you which account you want to send it to. In this case, it's the Picasa web album, and then it'll ask me what folder I want to put it into. I've put it into the Satio folder, which is where all of my other images are. Once it's done that, it'll then ask if you want to keep the image size the original one or actually reduce it in size to fit online. I'm quite happy to keep it its original size. What it'll then do is open up the little application that allows you to put it online. You can then add a title to it and put any text about what the image is belowhand, and then you click on upload. You'll then see a progress bar, so very quickly, if you're for example on Wi-Fi, it'll load up the image straight online. When it's finished, it'll then be loaded online, so you can then come straight back out into your web albums, into Picasa Web. There's the folder that I've put the image into. When you go inside, the image isn't there originally, all you have to do is hit refresh. And there we go, the first image there is the one that I've recently done. You then click upload on the screen, and that's the image. You can now make a comment on it yourself using the handset, or anyone else can make comments on that photograph by going online, either using their PC or in fact another Satio. To make your comment, you hit the comments tab and then write a new one. What that'll then do is bring up new comment, and then you can then add. When you've finished, simply press send, and that'll then upload onto that image. You'll see that the comment and the person who made the comment is situated above the photograph there. When you're finished with that, you can then come back out. Again, the other options there are delete it from the album itself, send it via picture message or via email. When you're finished viewing that, again, it's just a case of hitting the return key all the way back out and onto the home screen. Thanks very much for watching, and look out for some more Satio tips.